Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can remove a payment method in Hostinger. So this is pretty straightforward. What you have to do is click here billing, and then you're gonna have the payment methods, and then you're gonna find the button here, and there you're gonna find like remove, and all you have to do is click it and remove it. So that's pretty much on how you can remove the payment method in Hostinger. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you're having a great day, and goodbye. Again, you're gonna come here to billing, subscriptions, sorry, payment methods here, and remove.